Great news! Our 3D modeling platform now lets you design any furniture you want, completely freely. Just upload an image, let your imagination run wild, and create your entire interior design in just a few minutes. Let's start with just one single image. Upload a picture of the furniture you'd like to make, and our AI generator will automatically turn it into a 3D model for you. And if you want to save even more time, our batch feature lets you generate multiple 3D models all at the same time. We bridge the gap between flat architectural sketches and navigable reality by stress testing our generator's spatial translation capabilities. We feed the engine rough floor plans and hand-drawn dream home elevations, forcing the software to interpret depth, lighting, and texture. This workflow transforms static 2D lines into fully immersive, high-fidelity interior environments. We invite you to subscribe to our channel. We will keep bringing you more interesting topics.